HE 2000 Instruction for use. Device configuration and names of each part. HE 2000 consists of the following parts: measuring unit, printer charging unit, electrode cable, ERG sheet electrode. The measuring unit has a power button, and the screen starts up when you turn it on. The screen is a touch panel type. Comes with a darkroom lamp so you can work in a darkroom. The eyepiece is removable. The charging unit has a power lamp and communication lamp. How to charge and how to read the charging indicator. Connect the charging unit and measuring unit by firmly holding them down from above. Confirm the power charging lamp is lit. The lamp goes out when charging finish. Charging level is displayed when measurement unit screen is activated. How to connect and check the communication status. Charging unit and measuring unit connect automatically when powered on. The communication indicator on the measurement unit is displayed in green. Attachment removal and care of eyepiece. Eyepiece hood is removable and can be wiped clean with alcohol. How to enter patient ID. Press ID to display the ID input screen. You can enter numbers and alphabets there. You can switch to alphabet by pressing AZ buttons. Selection and specifications of mydriatic or non-mydriatic. Switch with the dilation and ND buttons at the upper right of the exam selection screen. ERG is basically performed under dilated pupils. No mydriasis mode is available to accommodate patients who are unable to mydriate. The amount of light in ND mode is about 3 times that of dilation mode. Selection of examination items. There are 8 types of exam items. Ones at the upper row are for the dark adaptation system. On the other hand, ones at the lower row are for the light adaptation system. Touch the exam item you want to perform to move to the exam screen. How to clean sebum and makeup. Remove sebum and makeup by cottons soaked with alcohol, etc. 3 places are used for examination: both lower eyelids and either of temple. If makeup or sebum remains, electrical resistance might increase, and left those substances could cause noise. Putting on ERG sheet electrode. Place sheet electrodes about 5 mm from both eyelids. Place the electrode for ground purpose around temple. This place should be in the middle of the line between the eye and ear. Dark adaptation, light adaptation. A completely dark room is recommended when dark adapting. Prepare a room as dark as possible. The ISEV standard recommends 20 minutes for dark adaptation. Optometrists should stand by near patients to prepare in case of emergency cases. When light adapting, do it in a normal brightness room. The ISEV standard recommends 10 minutes of light adaptation in 30 candela environment. Connecting the electrode cable and the measurement unit. A line allows inscribed on the cable and the measurement unit, and then connect them firmly. Attaching electrode clips. Place each clip on the bottom of the sheet electrode according to the electrode clip's notation. Examination. Align the eyes around center of the screen. Confirm that the waveform is not distorted, and then press Start. Ask the patient to remain still and be relaxed so as to reduce noise as much as possible. In the DA Simulate mode, the time until next stimulus is displayed in the lower left corner of the screen. Keep the measurement unit perpendicular to the face of patient and do not press it hard against the patient. Descriptions of measurement results in the exam screen. The measurement waveforms are displayed on the left side of the screen. Touch the waveform to enlarge it. Add function allows additional measurement for averaging. How to remove TERG electrode sheets. Carefully peel off the sheet electrode while holding near side of the skin. Storing data. Number of exam results that can be temporarily saved in the measurement unit are max 30. You can select optional save or automatic save. At the exam selection screen, press Set 1, Set 2, Set 3 and twice of greater than mark in order. If optional save is selected, the save confirmation screen is displayed. Data transmission, printing and both. Press Print button when measurement results are displayed. Output means both printing and sending data. Send means just sending only. At the exam selection screen, press Set 1, Set 2 and select Output option. Printing out. Make sure the communication lamp is lit. Press Output or Print in the screen of measurement results. The results are printed from the built-in printer at the charging unit. How to read the result. DA 0.01. Normal waveform for DA 0.01 is hill-like shape. How to read the results for DA3 and DA10. In case of the normal waveform of DA3 and DA10, A wave and B wave are recognized clearly. How to read the result LA3. In LA3, the waveform with solid peaks is recognized. How to read the result of LA30 Hz. LA30 Hz is mainly evaluated based on latency. The quicker response is the better. As retinal function deteriorates, response of latency becomes delayed. How to read the results of on-off ERG. On-off ERG is mainly for recording waveforms generated from bipolar cells. Normal waveform has outstanding peaks around 30 milliseconds and 150 milliseconds. How to read the result of DA Simulate. DA Simulate is mode to save measurement time. DA 0.01 and DA 10 are measured at the same time. Although it is possible to change from DA 10 to DA 3 in Street 1, it is more common to select DA 10. Upper ones are results of DA 0.01 and lower ones are results of DA 10. How to read the result of LA Simulate. LA Simulate is mode to save measurement time in light adaptation. This measure LA 3 and LA 30 Hz in one measurement. Upper ones are results of LA 0.01 and lower ones are results of LA 30 Hz. Setting examination conditions. Number of averaging emission interval. At the exam selection screen, press Set 1. Press Exam Select at Addition screen and select the exam list you want to change. Make sure the inspection item you want to change is highlighted in blue. Press Number. You can change the number of additions for averaging by selecting an item. To change the flash interval, press Page Forward button at the Addition screen. The initial setting is 10 seconds for DA 3 and 20 seconds for DA 10. You can change each emission interval. Waveform selection function. In measurement of DA 3 and DA 10, it is possible to select the waveform used for addition. It is possible to exclude and waveforms with a lot of noise that seems to be failed for measurement. Press Select, touch the waveform you do not want to use. Can be excluded from results. If you press the excluded waveform again, it can be used for the averaging result again. Additional averaging function. Add is a function to be used when additional averaging is necessary, such as when there is a lot of noise in the waveform. At the exam results screen, press Add button twice. It is possible to add half of the set number as additions. For example, if the initial setting number is 6 times, additional 3 more times is performed per eye as averaging processes. Expand and compel. Extended is a model that expands the range for amplitude averaging of waveform compared to the normal setting, making averaging easier. Compel is a mode that adds all waveforms for averaging process regardless of the amount of noise. Both modes tend to produce noise in the waveform, but they are efficiency for eyes that are hard to be measured. View and delete data. At the exam selection screen, press DB. The list of saved data will be displayed. Results can be displayed in details. If you want to delete it, press Delete button. Noise checking. Press Check button in the exam screen. You can check the amount of noise. When PP values indicate NG standing for no good, it means that noise amount is over certain level. How to use the darkroom lamp. Press light on the exam screen, and then darkroom lamp turns on.